Welcome to Texas by Texas, the quick, easy, and secure way to take care of government to-dos. Today, we'll be showing you how to upgrade your learner license online. Provided by the Texas Department of Public Safety, this service is for Texans with learner licenses who have passed their third-party skills test. If that sounds like you, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to create a TXT account. Cruise on over to texas.gov/TXT or download the TXT app. Once you're there, enter your email and the code sent to your inbox. We use this multi-factor authentication feature to keep your info secure. Create a password. Enter your phone number and the verification code sent to your phone. We'll ask you for a few details, like your home address. Once we find your driver license, we'll link it to your TXT account. Quick sidebar, your TXT account is just for you. Everyone needs to have their own account. And you're up and running. Now that you're all set up, upgrading your driver license is easy. On your homepage, under your to-do list, or on your agency page, tap Upgrade Driver License. Do you need to update your home address? If not, just click Next. If so, enter your new info. Now you'll need to confirm your order details and add any donations if you'd like. Choose any extra license options. Then, update your emergency contact info. Make sure everything looks good. And once you're ready, it's time to pay. No card on file? Enter one now. We use secure payment processing, so your info stays safe and sound. Nice! Now you have your temporary license. Make sure to print this page. Digital copies like screenshots won't be accepted. Keep an eye out for a confirmation email. The Department of Public Safety will send your new card, and it should arrive in about 3 weeks. You can also track the status of your license on the DPS website. Need to tackle more government to-dos? Check out our other video tutorials. Start your TXT account today.